Hey, what's up, world changers? I'm Joshua, and if you've ever felt nervous, overwhelmed, or just kind of stuck in your own head, you are not alone. Today, we're diving into something powerful, how to flip your thoughts when they're bringing you down. And yep, we're using sticky notes to build a whole cheer squad of words just for you. So grab your markers, bring your mindset, and let's turn your thoughts into tools. Grab some sticky notes or index cards. Think about one thing you usually say that's not so kind and flip it. Yesterday, the lunchroom got really loud and I got overwhelmed. I accidentally knocked over my tray and someone laughed. I wanted to hide. And I almost told myself, why can't I just be normal? But instead I wrote this, I feel things deeply and that's a strength. Yeah, challenges can be sour, but I'm like, hey lemons, meet sugar, boom, lemonade. Why? 'Cause I'm capable, baby. Stick them where you'll see them, on your mirror, desk, or water bottle.
These positive notes are making me so happy. These are my cheerleaders now. Look at them. I'm awesome. Keep trying. You got this. I am so thankful to be able to share these moments with you. Now every time I look at my desk, I remember what's true.
You're designing a cheer squad of words that support you.
You got it, Joshua. I really love positive self-talk.
That's powerful, bro. Different
ones that actually help you feel strong, not stuck. Now open your journal. Write 2 or 3 things you want to believe about yourself. Repeat. Okay, ready? Good job. See? Your thoughts have power. Hey, if today's message gave you a boost, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, or drop a comment so more people can hear it too. Let's spread the power of positive talk, one sticky note at a time. And don't forget, your words have power. Use them well. Wait, don't bounce just yet. We ain't done. We got something real cool to help you lock this in. Yup, it's a song, and not just any song. This one is fire. It's called Flip That Thought, and it's going to help you remember how to take those not so nice thoughts and turn them into power talk. You already know, we don't let our brains bully us, right? We flip it, remix it, and speak that truth out loud. So get ready to clap, move, or write your own verse. This one's for you, freedom fighter. Let's hit play and flip that thought.
Talks got the words to push you through. Yo, I was lost in the noise in the back of the class. My heart beat fast like I wouldn't last. The lunchroom roared, I dropped my tray. They laughed and my joy just slipped away. Thoughts swirling like a storm in my brain. Why can't I be normal like I'm the one to blame? But then I saw it, that little sticky note shining in my book. You are not broken, you're built different. Look, we'll kick growth, turn it around. If it's bringing you down, you don't have to drown. Stick it on the wall of your desk or shoes. Power talk's got the words to push you. Flip that thought, turn it around. If it's bringing you down, you don't have to drown. Stick it on the wall of your desk or shoes. Power talk's got the words to push you through. Sticky notes in my locker, my affirming tribe. I'm still learning, I'm strong, my brain is brave. I feel things deeply, and that's okay. No shame in my stride, no fear in my face. 'Cause I flipped that thought, gave it a brand new space. So if you're feeling stuck, like you're under attack, just write it and flip it and take your power back. Turn it around, if it's bringing you down, you don't have to drown. Stick it on the wall of your desk or shoes. Power talk's got the words to push you through. Power flip that thought.